Hey guys, it's Tori and welcome back to my channel. Holy cow, can we take a minute? Just like 1 minute here. It's been over a year. I think I filmed my last, uploaded my last video in December of 2017? Yeah, 2017. That's a long time. That's a really long time for me to be off of YouTube. I still have the same old camera that I've been using and I'm working towards goals and I'm going to get a new one and I'm very excited about it. You guys just wait and see. So, yeah, this is where we're at in life right now. Hey, hi, how you doing? If you're interested in an, where have you been Tori video, I'll totally do one. If you don't care, then I don't have to do one. So, today I am going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette. My wonderful fiance, which I am getting married to on May 11th. Update for you guys. What? He got me this. Come on. Come on. These colors are gorgeous, and do they not scream summertime? Because they totally scream summertime to me. Am I right? Am I right? These are so pretty. So, if you guys want a full in-depth video of swatches and all of that, I will definitely do one for you. Just be on the lookout for it, and I'm gonna stop yibber-yabbering and let you guys jump into today's video. The first product that I'm gonna be using on my face is the MAC Prep and Prime 24-Hour Extend Eye Base. And I love this eye primer. It's like thebomb.com, so you need it in your life. If you know me at all, you know that I always like to prime my eyes with a color base, whether it's skin colored or the color that we're going with today. I am going to use my MAC paint pot in, what is this, soft ochre. I should know because it's well loved, well used, and I use it literally with every eye look that I do. I only put it on my lids because I find when I put it in my crease area, it tends to get a little bit insane. So I usually don't put it in my crease area. Did I leave my brushes up there? No. Oh, they're behind me. So I'm going to pop this out. I'm going to first take the color Estate and pop that into my crease with a fluffy brush. This brush that I am going to be using is an M502 from Morphe. So I'm just gonna go out here and say this, but one of the reasons I don't ever get any videos uploaded is because I hate editing them. And that's everyone's favorite thing is editing. No, filmography is not my thing. I just like doing the tutorials and talking to you guys. It's a struggle. Okay, so now that I've got that nice kind of peachy base going, I'm trying to decide what I'm doing today. I have a vision in mind. Okay, so we're going to do outside to inside. So we're going to start with Coastline here, which is the third shade from the bottom. And I'm going to take it into my crease. And I don't have to be too heavy-handed with this, but we're going to go in with that vibrant pink next. So I really want to feel like it's got a good base to stick onto. I feel like when I film videos, I tense my back so much and then my back hurts. I don't know why this happens. Okay, so now we're gonna go into the shade called Bahamas. Oh girl, it is so pretty. Okay, so this is a vibrant pink shade. And, okay. You know what? Okay, yeah, no. I'm going to take a brush that I can really pack the color on with, which I'm going to use the Sigma E54, and really go to town packing color right here in the outer corner because I'm so pale. And then right here in the inner corner. I'm such a pale girl. I just feel like that needs some extra love, TLC, appreciation. Right now it's gonna look really crazy, but everything gets worse before it gets better, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so I'm gonna have hot pink eyeshadow on my rug here in a second, but it's totally okay. Alright, so I'm going to go in with my fluffy brush that I was using. I don't even think I told you what brush this was. This is the M433, sorry. It's the same as a MAC 217. So I'm just using that hot pink shade and really packing that color up into the crease. That's one thing that I notice about these shades is that I really have to pack the color in. I can't just get the opacity that I want from the beginning. Like, there's one swipe and you can barely see it, you know? Like, I had to do a lot of work. Now I'm going to take a blending brush and I'm going to blend it. We might have to go back in with that other shade in case we need to, that coastline shade, but for now, we're going to go with this one. Okay, so I've heard this shade can be difficult to work with. I'm going to take Cans or Canis or, I don't know what it is. I don't know. I really just don't know. And I'm going to kind of apply that into the pink shade very slightly to create a gradient effect on the lid. We're gonna do some feathering motions with this. Okay, you know what? Just let it get all up in the lid. That's gonna make your life a lot easier. I'm kind of losing my hot pink shade and I don't want to do that. I want it to really stick out. So I'm just going back over and applying it. Boom, boom, bam, boom. Okay, I'm going to take a different brush because that one's all dirty. I'm going to take Coastline a little bit on it and just kind of go over the top. Okay, I'm going to take Coastline and just lightly go over the top just to buff out any craziness that can happen with that hot pink. I don't know why, but I'm just like feeling hot pink lately. Okay, so the shade that was singing to me is Mediterranean, so let's hope, oh, you guys could see my whole background. Let's hope that Mediterranean sings to me the way I want it to. I'm gonna use my brush. Okay. I didn't want to cut the crease. You can if you're wanting it to be a lot more like tight looking. I'm more just kind of going for the sparkly essence. So I am kind of following it in my crease as if it were a cut crease look and then feathering it into the purple shade that we applied. You feel me? So I'm going to go back to this brush. Look, I've got purple on one side, pink on the other. We're going to take the purple color and really kind of just lightly blend it into that center shade. Then I'm going to go back into Mediterranean and just make sure that it's really vibrant down the center, which is right where I want it. I feel like this shade would even look really good if you spritzed it with some Fix Plus. I feel like it would definitely benefit. Okay, we're going to take the color Canes again and really get that under the eye. I always use my finger to blend it. You can use a brush. Do what you gotta do. Then I'm gonna go back into that Mediterranean shade and pop it right in the center. Just like that. Okay, and then I'm gonna take, gosh, I'm getting crazy, this shade Sails. Okay. Then I'm gonna take the shade Sails, which is right here, and we're gonna get a little nuts. We're gonna pop that under the brow bone. And then I also just want to use that color right in the inner corner. Oh my gosh. I also want to use that color right in the inner corner as well, which it's picking up like a purple tint because I had some purple shadow there. So the eyeliner I'm going to use is this Younique Precision Dip and Draw eyeliner, and I love it. I know YouTubers don't always talk about like Younique and those MLMs, I think is what it's called, but I really love this product. So I'm going to draw a winged liner. if you've been hanging out with me long enough, you know that I always use my Marc Jacobs gel liner for my lower waterline. I'm actually going to pick up one in white because I feel like a white liner would be super pretty right here, but my white liner is dried out. So now I'm going to curl my lovely lashes here. I'm going to apply my mascara, which is the Man-Eater mascara. You guys absolutely have no idea how much I love this mascara. Like, it is so freaking good. Okay, my lovely children, that is the finished eye look, and I popped on some, honestly, Ardell wispy lashes. I love the Ardell lashes, and they're super easy for me to get a hold of because I'm constantly losing everything. I am forgetting one thing though. I need to put my lip color on with you guys, so hold on just a second. So my go-to lip color for the bright colored eyes is Sao Paulo from Ofra. I can't speak today. Sao Paulo from Ofra, and I love this color so much, so I'm gonna apply it real quick. This color is one of the few good nudes with my skin tone because most nudes turn out really bad on me. So this one actually works really well. So that is the finished makeup look for today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. You can see my bubbly can sitting up there. Say hello to bubbly. Bubbly fans out there, bubbly fans. Hi, yeah, the lime bubbly is the best, and strawberry. I feel like I need to drink this with a straw. Okay, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to check out my other videos. They're old, over a year old, and I'm probably going to sit down and film several today, or, you know, do things like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to check out my other videos, and I will talk to all of you guys in my next one. Bye, everyone.